What's going on? Brian Maxwell checking in out here at Ray Brandt, Nissan. We got another training some of the sales reps out here. You know, one of the biggest things that we going over is to make sure that we constantly remember that everything that we do is all about the customer, because I feel like in today's selling environment, too many sales associates are so focused on how much money they're going to make and how they're going to close this sale and what they want to put this customer in, as opposed to asking the right questions, listening with the intent to understand, and making sure that we work to help our customers make a smart, safe buying decision rather than trying to sell them a car. Because even if you are silver-tongued enough to sell somebody or persuade somebody into a car, if they don't feel comfortable about it, even if they take it home, they're going to feel forced, they're going to feel pressure, and they will never come back. They might even go online and give a bad review, feeling like they were pressured into something that they didn't necessarily want, or they didn't feel like they needed. So at the end of the day, the name of the game is asking the relevant questions and listening with the intent to understand versus listening with the intent to reply, and making sure that every option that you present to your guest, to your customer, or to your prospect is one that helps them solve a problem or several problems, which is why when you ask the right questions, you find out exactly what their objectives are, what they hope to gain, what exactly they're doing it for. When you present your features and your benefits, you present them in a way that shows them how this particular feature will help them solve a specific problem that they shared with you earlier. Also, always keep in mind that the personal aspect of interacting with these people is this: people don't care how much you know until they know how much you care, and that they hate to be sold, but they love to buy. So make sure we keep the main thing, which is if we ask the right questions and we listen with the intent to understand, and we work to be a solution provider and to help this person make a smart, safe buying decision, you'll find yourself winning a lot more than you have in the past. At the end of the day, it is a partnership. It's not you against them. It's you and them working together for a common goal, which is helping them find something that will help them solve a specific problem or problems. So if you're somebody that is in automotive sales, whether you're new or whether you're a seasoned veteran, by all means, always keep in mind, it's all about them. It's all about you, Mr. and Miss Customer. It's all about you. It's all about you. But I highly encourage you, if you are somebody that's in sales and you're looking to improve your skill set and you're looking to get better, click the link in the description and check out one of the free online trainings I have called How to Dominate at the Dealership. It really takes you through the A to Z on the road to the sale, gives you some really good tips and insight that you can use immediately at your dealership to help you be a lot more successful by helping a lot more people, okay? And if you're somebody that works in management at the dealership and you're looking to get some talented people, or you're looking to get your team trained up, by all means, shoot me a message. I work with some of the biggest dealer groups nationwide. Ray Brandt is one of many, whether it be Peacock Automotive Group, whether it be Morgan Automotive Group, whether it be it's just so many of them. It's Group One or Coggin, or should I say Asbury, whoever it is. If you're looking for good people, shoot me a message and let's see what we can do to help your dealership get rocking and rolling and finish out 2019 stronger than ever. So again, make sure you keep the customer first. Make sure you ask the right questions. And remember, scripts are extremely important. Your favorite movies, the reason why they stimulate you emotionally, because the actors in the movie took the script, internalized it, personalized it, and made it to where when they're able to put it out there and convey it and communicate it, they have it so internalized and they know it so well that their emotion and their confidence and their energy resonates through where it can stimulate you, even though we know that it's a movie. Okay, and sales is the same way. When you have your word tracks and your scripts, you want to make sure that you internalize them to the point that you can personalize them. And that way, when you're talking with a customer, the energy, the confidence, it transfers. People buy 90% based off emotion and back it up with 10% logic. And if you're looking for some awesome word tracks, some methods to help you to be able to be more consistent, more profitable, and help more people, click the link in the description. Go over and check out the online training and watch it all the way to the end. Got some excellent and some awesome things that I share with you and make available to you to help you improve your production immediately. Other than that, I'm Brian Maxwell out here in New Orleans, Louisiana, over and out, and I will see you at the dealership. All right, y'all.